Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be planning for the week of May 14th through May 20th. And this week I am using this beautiful kit from the Glam planner. I believe this was her March mystery kit, and this is in her luxe format. Since it was a mystery kit, it also came with quite a few extras. So along with this kit, it also came with a double box, as well as a separate sheet of full boxes with different hair and skin colors for the girls. So there was a ton of stickers with this kit. So for this week, I decided to go ahead and use a no white space kind of look because I wanted to use as many extras as I could. And along with the kit, it also came with glitter headers. So I definitely tried to use as many different stickers as I could. So yep, you'll see me totally using like a ton of different stickers. So I go ahead and start off the spread by putting down the bottom washi, which is this really fun pattern. And then I go ahead and put down the heart checklist with the to-do headers and the orange glitter headers across the top. Since this kit had quite a few different like patterns and colors I don't normally tend to use too much. I usually don't use orange and green in my spreads. I usually lean more towards blues and purples. But since there's so many like different colors and patterns that I'm not used to using, I decided to go ahead and put all my full boxes across the middle to try to really showcase them without letting it get too busy or too distracting from my plans. So I'm going ahead and putting down the bookcase boxes right on Wednesday and Thursday. I really love how that look. I usually put them on the weekend when I have boxes like those, but I really like how it looks doing it on the right across the coil. So I think that's something I'm going to be doing more often in my planning style. Now, after I just put down all the full boxes, I'm going ahead and putting down the blue glitter headers across the bottom, as well as the little things headers. Again, just trying to use as many stickers as I can, and overall, I'm really happy with how this looks. So I think I'm going to be doing more no white space spreads pretty soon. Now, I'm putting down the date covers, and then I move on to my sidebar. For my sidebar this week, I decided to start off with a glitter header, but I had so many little difficulties trying to line it up straight and trying to, really make it work. So I ended up pulling up that full box a few times. So it was really having a difficult time sticking down by the time I get it all lined up. But I go ahead and do my usual sidebar. I use 2 habit trackers to mark my devotions for the week, as well as my no spend. I didn't even try to track my workouts because I don't even think I worked out once this week. So that was a fail. But I go ahead and put down my dinners tracker, as well as a heart checklist for my to-dos for this week. I go ahead and move on to Monday, which was actually a really fun day because my boyfriend and I were still like on a little mini vacation. So I go ahead and put down a appointment label and 2 strips of washi with a quarter box. And I put a Honey Girl at the Pool from the Glam planner. I believe that's from a subscription like back last summer. And that's just to mark that we walked on the beach and went to the pool that day. And then for the appointment label, I go ahead and put a Fox and Pip couple sticker to mark that my boyfriend and I went to Seaport Village. On Tuesday, I go ahead and put down 2 strips of washi and a staff meeting sticker from KPL. Then a half box with a sticker from KPL as well to mark my Bible study for that night. Moving on to Wednesday, I go ahead and put down another strip of washi and layer over a little things meal icon to mark that my mom brought home lunch that day. And I finish off Wednesday with a half box and a teeny girl from the Glam planner with a face mask to mark that my boyfriend and I tried a new face mask that night. On Thursday, I go ahead and start off by putting down some washi and a half box. The half box, I use a little polka girl from the Glam planner of her graduating to mark that I went to the kindergarten graduation at my work. And I finish off Thursday with a meal, little things to mark going to dinner with my friend. On Friday, I put down an appointment label to mark that it was a coworker's birthday. And I put down a half box with a Netflix munchkin to mark watching 13 Reasons Why. On Saturday, I start off by putting down a TV little things to mark that I watched the rest of 13 Reasons Why, and I go ahead and put down a few strips of washi and a half box to mark that my mom and I did a little bit of belated celebrating for Mother's Day, and we went to Painted Earth. Those munchkins are from Once More with Love, and that is like, I think, my most used sticker sheet. I think I've repurchased that sheet like 3 times, but I totally love it to mark anything with friends or with my mom. Moving on to Sunday, I put down a heart little thing to mark going to church with my family. And underneath that, I put down an appointment label marking that I went out to lunch with a group of friends. And finishing off Sunday, I go ahead and put down a half box and a Kind People or My Kind of People munchkin from a Once More with Love sampler to mark that my life group did a service project for the community. Now I'm just going back and putting in little asterisks, little things to mark my babysitting for the week, as well as my payday flag and a bill due sticker that was included in the kit to mark, obviously, my payday and a bill due I had. So now I'm just going ahead and showing you all of the different stickers I had left, and I have a ton left. I feel like I used so many, and I try to pull in as many stickers as I could, but I still have a ton left over. But I'll be cutting those down and putting those in my sticker storage to hopefully use another time. I'm really happy with how this spread turned out, and I really love the no white space look, so I think I'm going to be doing that in the weeks to come. But thank you so much if you made it to the end of the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great week. Bye, guys.